Welcome to your journey from America to Spain, where your dream of living abroad starts to become real. If you've been thinking about relocating, but you don't know where to begin, you are in the right place. Making an international move can feel overwhelming. You're thinking about visas, shipping, housing, and how your life will look on the other side of the ocean. That is completely normal. The key is having a clear plan and the right partner guiding you. At SDC International Shipping, we've helped countless Americans navigate this exact transition. From organizing your household goods to coordinating custom clearance and delivery, we simplify what feels complicated. If you're just getting started and want a clear overview of how everything works, you can explore more at our website. That's a great place to understand the full relocation process from start to finish. One important thing to remember is that moving internationally isn't one size fits all. Some moves are smaller and more flexible, while others involve full households and require detailed coordination. Shipping timelines can vary depending on whether you choose shared containers or direct service. And while some shipment may take several weeks, others can move faster depending on your needs. The good news is you don't have to figure this out alone. If you're ready to take the first step towards Spain, call SDC International Shipping at 844-651-7050 and speak with a relocation specialist today.